test out the brake lines. Gonna get a little GoPro footage along the way. It's Saturday, it's nice. We're in Kansas City, so a lot of times you'll see some cool cars. So I'm gonna see if I can't find some for you, and that'll allow me to brush up on my editing non-existent skills. Can you see that? I don't even know if you can see that. There's an airfield pretty close by. But I'm at the gym. I'm gonna go in there and act like I know what I'm doing, and I'll be back. I'm gonna show you guys what type of rear view mount I'm gonna be showing you that I'm running in the RX7. It's just this. It has the little clamp. The RX8 doesn't have a big stem back here. Is that a stem? I don't know what that is, but this goes around it. And of course the GoPro, it just attaches here. It hangs down. So I may be using this here in a little bit too, when I'm leaving Kansas City. GoPro mount is up on the rear view. That's all it is. So the rest of the video, you're gonna be seeing the rear view perspective, but I can't remember if I showed you the car. Okay, you're on there. You're facing the wrong way though, and you're screwed on. I need an adapter to put you guys up here. I'll have to figure out something else another time. But yeah, we're gonna go back to this. Kansas City as we pass by. Y'all aren't going to be able to see the flames, of course, but listen for them. Man, I've been driving for miles. Sunroof open, windows down, no radio. And I just realized how relaxing it was after having a crazy work week. And I hope you're not driving right now while you're watching this. Someone is, but definitely try to plan some time for yourself. Just get out and drive. Most of the time I'll have some music